Hi and welcome to Add More Zest. My name's Rebecca, also known as 4Kids at 147, and it's time to bring you July's shop launch items. So we have just a few items to launch for July. So the first one is our limited edition Zesty tray in black. So this one has been requested. We did release the bigger Add More Zest tray in black, and we had requests for a Zesty. So the Zesty tray is here. Comes complete, of course, with its stopper. Absolutely amazing for showing up white diamonds, or any light diamonds to be fair, show up really, really nice in this tray. So that is tray number one, the Zesty tray. For our Add More Zest tray, this time we have gone for bright green. This is another one that has been requested, or another colour that has been requested. So we have a bright green Add More Zest tray. You like to bring a little bit of colour to your life, this one will be perfect. So we're looking very, I don't know, it's like it's Halloween-y, but it's July. Halloween in July, maybe? So they are the two limited edition trays for this month. When they've gone, they've gone. And then we are bringing another limited edition pen for this month. So this one is a red and a blue swirl. It has sort of different levels of swirliness depending on which way you hold the pen, and you do of course get a bag of tips to go with it. So you get your single placer, I think it's a 3 placer, you get an angled tip, you get I think a 5 or a 6 placer, I think that's an 8 placer, and a straightener as well. So you do get all of those with it. But yeah, a few different choices of multi-placers, angled tip, single tip and a straightener, all come with your limited, or limited to us edition pen. So it is just 3 limited edition options for this month. We are keeping it a little bit more subdued this month, but believe me, we are working in the background on releases that will come soon that are bigger, that's for sure. So these will release on the 8th of July. It will be at 10 PM BST, so British Summer Time. So if you type into Google normally, what is 10 PM BST in whatever your time zone is, it will let you know what that equals in your country. And this will be on Friday the 8th. You can also sign up for email notifications for the items if you wish. The emails do get sent out when they launch. Just bear in mind, we never know, but sometimes things go extremely quickly and sometimes we have a few days grace. You never know which one it is going to be. But anyway, thank you so much for joining me, and I'll speak to you all again soon.